Welcome to CNC. My name is Arti and I'm an international student at CNC. Come and explore the campus with me. I usually start my day with tea or coffee from the cafeteria. You can also place orders in the cafeteria and they'll make food for you. So this is our gathering place. This is a great place to hang out with your friends, have fun and also decompress between classes, and a bunch of events are hosted all around here. So this is the bookstore. You can get your textbooks and all the school supplies here, or you can also get yourself a CNC hoodie or t-shirt just like me. Come with me to the Learning Commons. This is what we call the library. Check out books, book a private study room, or find a quiet space to get some work done. Have any questions? Just ask the friendly faces in our international office. They can help you with the medical insurance, finances, and working in Canada as well. Now we'll visit the office of registrar. This is a place where you can pay your tuition or register for courses. This is also where you can get your student IDs. Behind me is the student services. If you have any questions related academic advising, career options after you graduate, or funding your education, this is your go-to place. I hope to see you at CNC soon.